Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This property features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with an open floor plan, which includes a living and dining room, kitchen and a generously sized washroom. Although unfinished, this property oozes at the seam with potential. The neighborhood is tranquil and serene. The parish capital of St. Anne's Bay is only 15 minutes away. Ocheresse is approximately 25 minutes away, and the North Coast Highway is visible from the entrance of the community, making your commute to Kingston less than an hour by the toll. Price to sell. This home is ideal for first-time home buyers who are seeking to get on the property ladder or the avid investor seeking meaningful returns on investment in the near future. The land area of this house is approximately 5,000 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 18 million or US $116,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.